Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. I'm here on the ground next to a really beautiful Hens-and-Chicks. The Hens-and-Chicks are Sempervivum. These are wonderful new selections that do very well in the South. I grew up with Hens-and-Chicks in the Northeast, where the old-fashioned ones did very well, but most of those cultivars do not like the heat and humidity of the South. But people have been breeding ones that are more heat tolerant, and I can't imagine one that looked happier than this one does. It's one called SuperSemp Emerald, and this isn't even the biggest rosette. You see they get their names of hens and chicks the way they produce offsets underneath the mother, sort of like a mother hen brooding a nest of chicks. They aren't desert plants, and I think people often stress them out by planting them where they would grow, agaves and cactus. They are drought tolerant because the leaves are succulent, and you don't want to ever plant them in a soggy spot, but just average soil with normal drainage will suit them well. And they don't have to be out in the blazing sun all day long. They will tolerate that, but as long as they have 6 hours of sun or so. And they are evergreen, so they're a beautiful presence in the garden year-round, and many of them will change color in the winter. Often the red pigment becomes more pronounced in cool weather. If you want to propagate them, you can just dig up individual rosettes and spread them around. And the Latin name Sempervivum means live forever, and they do live forever if they're happy. And Europeans also call them house leeks. I don't know what, not L-E-A-K, but L-E-E-K like the vegetable, and I don't know why they're called house leeks, the leek part of it, but they often grow on roofs, tile roofs or thatched roofs in Europe. And the old-timey belief was they protected a house from lightning strikes. One way or the other, well, regardless of whether they protect a house from lightning strikes, they're wonderful additions to the garden year-round. And this is but one selection. They come in a wide range of colors, grays and blue-grays and greens, especially like the green ones that have burgundy tips and stuff. Big ones and little ones. This is a great big one. I think that's why they're called SuperSemps. Anyhow, the modern hens and chicks are a great addition to warm season gardens. Thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.